Hi koutou, Kia Ora. My name is Alyssa.
And more to do Winton School, I'm Casie. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 29th of June.
We start the day with hockey news.
Practice for Year 1 and 2 teams. Mrs. Hall's Wiggles and Omea and Riley's Wombles, listen up.
You are supposed to have practices today at 12:45 on the basketball court at lunchtime.
But if you look outside, it's probably going to be cancelled.
Mrs. Hume's Wizards.
Zap.
That will be the same for you.
Okay, on te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is whaka,
Which is to learn for mirror.
Ooh, beautiful. It's still dark out there in the morning, people. So, to and from school, do the right thing. Wear your Hi Viz vests.
A big Kia Ora to all the librarians. Libraries open at 12:40 today. Nice and dry, toasty warm, and books.
Woohoo! And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, into House Challenge news. All the Year 1 and 2 students who have made the finals for your houses go to the hall after you've eaten your lunch at 12:45 and make paper plates.
For sure, the best girl and boy from each house is representing for House Glory.
That's all Year 1 and 2 students who won their house qualifiers last week in the hall at 12:45. Kia Ora.
Did you make it in for paper planes, Alyssa?
Yes, I did.
Do you think your Rudy's going to win?
Yes.
That's wrong. It's really wrong. House captains, please bring your kai to the hall at 12:30 for a set-up.
Years 3, 4, 5 and 6. Your finals are tomorrow. Good luck, everybody.
Okay, big news. Tidiest Class Awards for Week 10. Drum roll please for Rooms 4 and 10.
Now for the big prize. Tidiest class for the term. Drum roll, please.
Hey, chicken pizza lunch and pig party for room 5. Sorry.
Celebration time, come on.
Hello.
Okay. Congratulations, room 5. Enjoy your pizza lunch. It starts all over again next term.
And that's all for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite